Vitamin A, particularly in its precursor form beta-carotene, has attracted significant attention for its potential role in cancer prevention. This interest stems not only from its function as an essential nutrient, but also from its broader biological influence on cell regulation, antioxidant defense, and immune function, all of which intersect with cancer biology. While research is ongoing and complex, there is encouraging evidence that diets naturally rich in beta-carotene and other carotenoids are associated with a lower risk of developing certain cancers, including lung, prostate, and skin cancers. These protective effects appear to be most beneficial when beta-carotene is consumed through whole foods, highlighting the intricate synergy of natural compounds in a balanced diet. Cancer begins when normal cells undergo abnormal changes, often triggered by genetic mutations and damage caused by free radicals. Beta-carotene, as an antioxidant, helps neutralize these free radicals before they can inflict harm on DNA and other cellular components. This preventive action occurs at the cellular level, helping maintain genetic stability and reducing the likelihood that a normal cell will transform into a cancerous one. In this way, beta-carotene helps reinforce the body's natural defenses against the early stages of cancer development, especially in tissues frequently exposed to oxidative stress, such as the lungs and skin. In observational studies, populations with high intakes of beta-carotene-rich fruits and vegetables tend to show lower rates of certain cancers. For example, in lung health, studies have found that people who regularly consume high levels of beta-carotene through carrots, spinach, sweet potatoes, and other orange and dark green vegetables are less likely to develop lung cancer, particularly among non-smokers. This may be due to beta-carotene's ability to protect delicate lung tissues from oxidative pollutants and environmental toxins. Similarly, in prostate health, diets rich in carotenoids, including beta-carotene, have been associated with a reduced risk of prostate cancer, possibly by reducing oxidative stress in the prostate gland and modulating cell growth. Skin cancer prevention is another area where beta-carotene may offer benefits. Given the skin's constant exposure to UV radiation, oxidative stress plays a major role in the development of both melanoma and non-melanoma skin cancers. Beta-carotene accumulates in the outer layers of the skin, where it serves as a natural shield against free radical damage induced by sun exposure. While it doesn't replace sunscreen or physical protection, it contributes to a stronger baseline defense, potentially lowering the risk of DNA damage that can lead to cancerous mutations. However, one of the most important nuances in the conversation about beta-carotene and cancer is the distinction between natural food sources and synthetic supplementation. While food-based intake consistently shows beneficial correlations, high-dose beta-carotene supplements have yielded mixed results. In fact, some large clinical trials, such as those involving smokers, found that synthetic beta-carotene supplementation was associated with an increased risk of lung cancer rather than a reduction. These findings underscore the importance of context. Nutrients in isolation, particularly in high doses, may behave very differently than when consumed as part of a whole food matrix. This contrast may be explained by the complex interactions between beta-carotene and other antioxidants, such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and various phytonutrients, which are naturally present in fruits and vegetables. These compounds work in concert to create a balanced, modulating effect on oxidative processes. Whole foods provide this comprehensive, regulated support, while isolated supplements may overwhelm the body's natural regulatory systems or interact unfavorably in certain biological environments, such as those created by tobacco exposure. Therefore, while the protective role of beta-carotene against cancer is real and promising, the most reliable way to harness its benefits is through a diet rich in colorful, plant-based foods. Not only does this approach provide beta-carotene in a safer, more absorbable form, but it also delivers a variety of complementary nutrients that work together to promote cellular health, immune vigilance, and resilience against environmental stressors. By embracing a nutrient-dense, plant-forward eating pattern, individuals can reduce their cancer risk in a way that aligns with the body's natural rhythms and defenses. In conclusion, beta-carotene, through its antioxidant and regulatory properties, represents one of nature's elegant tools for supporting cancer prevention. Its ability to guard cellular integrity, regulate growth, and reinforce immune surveillance reflects the broader power of nutrition to influence long-term health outcomes. While supplementation may not be universally advisable, the consistent inclusion of beta-carotene-rich foods in the daily diet offers a safe, holistic, and delicious strategy for reducing cancer risk and promoting overall vitality.